In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram post unavailable issue. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings app. Navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. Wait for a few minutes, then click on Reinstall app. This might resolve the issue. If these solutions didn't work out for you, what you want to do is contact Instagram support team. For that, launch Instagram app. Click on 3 bars given at the top right. Now scroll all the way down, head over to the option Help. Then click on the option Report a technical problem. Now click on the option Report problem without checking. Click on Don't include and continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue that you are getting, Instagram post unavailable error, and send it. With this, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram post unavailable issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.